Hello, fellow techies and friends. Welcome to ProR. The cars coming out right now, on the bleeding edge, are full to the brim with tech, from integrated displays and Bluetooth to chargers and sophisticated audio systems. But that doesn't mean that there's nothing to add. Whether you want to keep passengers entertained on a long trip, clear your car of clutter, or keep track of its location when it's not in use, there is a huge range of gadgets out there that can help to make your car feel more modern, or to add some amazing features you might need. We've rounded up some of the best gadgets that will make your driving experience a breeze, whether you're relaxing in the back seat or behind the wheel. Number 8. Echo Auto. If Alexa has become a fixed feature in your home, you may be pleased to know you can now take the virtual assistant on the road. Simply connect Echo Auto to the Alexa app on your phone as well as your car speakers, via auxiliary input jack or Bluetooth, and you'll be able to make your usual commands on the go. Whether you want to request a song, stream an audiobook, set reminders or check petrol prices, you can do so thanks to the 8 microphones and far-field technology which are designed to hear you over music, air conditioning and general road noise. To protect your privacy, you can press the microphone off button at any time which will electronically disconnect the voice activation. Number 7. Basis Car Vacuum Cleaner. Getting a quality car vacuum will allow you to keep your floors and upholstery spotless, leaving you more time to show off your shiny new car instead of picking up those M&Ms you accidentally dropped on the floor. Basis Handheld Portable Wireline Vehicle Mounted Vac keeps your vehicle clean and dust-free, easy for daily maintenance. It's a small and convenient handheld vacuum that can be stored in the car for general upkeep or in case of cleaning emergencies. Perfect for children or careless passengers causing pet hair, grime and small clutter. Without cords, it can be moved anywhere. At the same time with various cleaning heads, can clean anywhere, such as car seat aperture, car dashboard, air vent, the sofa of the gap in the home, the blind angle, etc. With a cleaning straw, a cleaning nozzle hose, and a cleaning brush, it can meet the cleaning and vacuuming of every corner. The compact design complements your internal space and makes it easy to place in the attached storage bin. Number 6. Nextbase 622 GW HD Dash Cam. If you're looking for the additional security of a camera to keep track of the road in the event of an accident, the Nextbase Dash Cam will do the trick. It features a 140-degree wide-angle lens which will capture everything in HD right down to the finest details including car models and number plates. In the case of an emergency it can send out an SOS, using the built-in GPS to notify the emergency services of your exact location, as well as relevant medical information such as your blood type. It will even remain active while you're not in the car thanks to the parking mode which will record any movement around your unattended car, so you can review the footage if you spot a new bump of scrape. The exclusive wireless click-and-go Pro mount is a patented design by Nextbase allowing the user to connect the dash cam to the mount using just one hand. It uses high-strength neodymium magnets, instantly linking the mount's power source to provide a strong, wireless connection. With an abundance of world-first features, including image stabilization, wait words, super slow motion and stunning 4K image quality, the 622 GW is the most in-demand dash cam on the planet. Number 5. Norshire Tire Inflator. Norshire Mini is by far the smallest, lightest and most portable tire inflator in the whole world with uncompromised performance. This handheld gadget is 8.2 inches in length, 1.6 inches in diameter, and delivers 175 psi to pump up flat tires. Made from metal in order to be much more durable than similar plastic products, it's designed to correctly gauge the correct pressure needed to extend the recommended life of the tire. If the battery dies, you can supply direct power to the inflator through a 12-volt cigarette lighter, which means it's perfect in a pinch if you have a socket in your car. Unlike any tire inflator you've seen before, Norshire Mini is a sleek and clear-shaped cylinder. It is the first tire inflator that got rid of all physical buttons and features a 0.91 inches, 128x32 resolution OLED display with capacitive touch. Norshire Mini has only 4 touch buttons, 1 power key, one start/pause key and a pair of plus/keys to set pressure values. It's so simple that you won't even need a manual to operate it. Its built-in microcomputer does a great job in power management too. The standby power consumption is less than 1 milliampere, so the device could sit idle for a whole year after a full charge without being over-discharged. It has a life of use up to 7 years, and is environment friendly because it contains no heavy metals, rare metals or toxins. Even when you don't need to inflate your tires, you can connect Norshire Mini to them at any time to gauge the tire pressure. The screen shows your current pressure immediately when connected. Stay tuned till the end and give the video a thumbs up while you also smash the subscription. Number 4. Handpresso Auto Capsule. If you're looking for a caffeine kick from the comfort of your car, the Auto Capsule by Handpresso can be heated from the driver's seat for a perfect espresso whenever and wherever you want. The new espresso machine for the car Handpresso Auto Capsule boasts the latest innovations from the portable espresso leader to offer the most successful experience even in the car or at the steering wheel of your truck or your camper. Handpresso Auto Capsule is a perfect fit inside your vehicle. It plugs into the 12-24-volt socket and can sit in the cup holder. Reliable, intuitive, nimble and with just the right digital touch, it prepares a perfect espresso with a perfect crema, in 2.5 minutes. Number 3, TileMate Pro. Tiles trackers are one of those little innovations that are so useful, in so many different walks of life, that we find ourselves putting them on a bunch of different lists, and no wonder. In this case, slap a tile tracker on your car keys and you can basically forget about losing them, avoiding the terrible rush where you misplace the keys just as you need to get going. With Tile, you have a backup plan when you're heading out and your keys are nowhere to be found. Just tap Find in the Tile app and the tile on your keys will ring. Watch the tile detector's green rings fill in as you get closer to them. The tracker's also nice and small to make it totally convenient to have on your keyring. You can use your voice to find things around the house. Just ask Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant to find your remote, keys or anything else with a tile on it. It's easy to set up and hands-free finding is even faster. Best of all, it works backwards too, letting you use the tracker to make your phone ring if you've actually lost the phone not the keys. Use any tile, like the ones on your keys or wallet, to make your phone ring. Just double press the tile logo button. It works even if your phone is on silent. A finding range of a good distance means that you'll have plenty of range to play with. If you lose something when you're out and about, Tile can help you locate it. View its most recent location on a map. It'll show you the last time it was with you or the last time your Tile app was able to locate it. You can also tap Notify when found so the Tile network, every phone running the Tile app and the network extenders, can help locate your lost item. Each device on the network is able to help locate Tile trackers and send location updates to your Tile app. Anonymously, of course. Number 2. Pure Highway 600. If you're looking for a car gadget that's all about the music, Pure has a great device to help you in the form of the Highway 600. Its Bluetooth connection to your phone will let you access radio stations via DAB+, while this version also has the benefit of super easy Spotify Connect integration, to make playing your tunes in a matter of just a tap. This clever audio adapter is simple to fit and works seamlessly with your existing in-car audio system. This highway in-car audio adapters are the easiest way to update the existing audio system in your car, van or truck without replacing it. Designed as an easy-fit solution for the millions of vehicles on the road worldwide without digital radio, you'll find Highway 600 easy to install in your car. In most cases you won't even need any tools, just a few simple steps and you'll be up and running. Whether you're new to digital radio or already enjoy the great choice and quality of digital radio at home, you'll love listening in your car with Highway 600. Highway 600 is also digital tick approved, so you can rest assured that you're ready for any future FM to digital radio switchover. Number 1. Hail Suit. Hail Suit, also known as a hail blanket, protects you from any form of hail-inflicted damage. The Hail Suit car covers are available in 7 sizes from XS to XXL and size Sport. The hail-resistant car cover aims to prevent car damage during extreme weather conditions. Compact and fast to deploy when your precious car is about to get hit by a hailstorm. In the future, Hailstorms will be getting much more severe because of climate change. The hail-resistant car cover is made especially for such situations. Hailsuit is a durable, fast protection based on 0.025 mm of polyvinyl chloride, or PVC. The tool that offers protection to the precious automobile of you and your customer several times under all circumstances. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the videos and contents, please like, comment and subscribe our channel.